Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's look is, full of drama. It's called the Sunset Smoky Eyes, and I hope you enjoy watching it. Please don't forget to take our time and click on the subscribe button. I'm starting off by using this awesome 24 karat rose gold oil by Indulgio Essentials. I like to use it before applying my foundation as it makes the blending much easier. You can even use it as a night serum or even in the morning or even a part of your regular skincare routine. I'm using a damp beauty blender to blend in my foundation. It makes it much faster. I'm next going with a Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and using it on my under eyes, corner of the lips, nose and forehead, and using this Real Techniques brush to blend it all in. I'm not really spending too much time on the skin, on the face in this look, as this look is all about the eyes. After this, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier translucent powder and just going to buff it into the skin. Then I don't want to contour my face too much, so I'm using this powder by Anastasia Beverly Hills and just contouring my cheekbones, jawline and forehead. If you don't have this palette, then the best bronzer you could use is Benefit Hoola. It's really nice. Next, I'm going into the Morphe 35O palette and using this dark brown black shade to fill in my brows. I think filling in the brows is one of the most important part of the whole look. I'm now using this dusty caramel brown and filling it into my crease. The brush I'm using is MAC 217. I'm going to use the color 2-3 times on my crease to build in the required pigment. Once I'm done with that, I'm going into the proper orange shade and filling in the crease again and the entire lid for more intensity. Take your time for this, as this is the most important part. I'm now using the dark brown black shade again with a smaller blending brush. This brush is from Morphe brushes, and filling in my crease. I'm using the same orange shade and the same MAC 217 brush for my lower lash line. Once I'm done with that, then I'm going to apply the dark brown on my lower lash line. I'm using this paint pot by MAC to define my crease, but if you don't have this paint pot, you could use any concealer or any foundation that is thicker in consistency. Now I'm using this nice orange glitter shade from the palette and just filling in my whole lid. Another tip what you can do is you can dip the brush into water or any fixing spray and then apply the shade on the eyelid. Once you do that, it'll have a more metallic effect. Using the glitter shade again on the lower lash line and then using a nice gold shade on the inner corner of the eyelid and using a nice highlighter color for the brows. Repeating the same on the other eye. Doing the crease first, the lower lash line, and then defining the crease, and then putting on the glitter shade. Once I'm done with this, then I'm going to take the Maybelline gel liner and fill in my waterline. Once I fill in my waterline, I'm going to wing it right from there. The wing has to be really long, so another tip would be to end the wing where your brow ends. It has to be nice and long, and that's what adds the whole drama to the look. I love gel liners because they're so easy to put, and the fact that you don't have to keep reapplying, they have a nice intensity of color. I'm using a wet wipe to just clean up the whole look, clean up my wing. Using this nice orange shade from BH Cosmetics, it's called Miami, and just applying it on my lips. using the Tarte limited edition blush palette, and from the same blush palette I'm using the highlighter shade to add some nice shine to the face. I'm using these lashes Selena by CS Essentials, and there we go, the look is complete. I love the whole look with my hair all snatched up. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it.